I'm going to start this recipe on a personal note. Most of what I know about cooking is from my grandmother. She was Ukrainian, but she was orphaned when she was 7. She had very few recipes from her childhood. What I'm going to make now is one of them. She called it sour noodles. It is very similar to a kugel, although it has fewer eggs. There is no cabbage or caraway or onion that you would expect in a Ukrainian or Polish casserole, but it's really good and it's really easy to do. You basically just cook the noodles, mix up the cheese and the sour cream and the eggs, mix it all together and put it in a casserole dish. Graham would always bake it in a water bath. Now, baking in a water bath is a traditional way to do a casserole with lots of eggs if you want it to be soft rather than crunchy. As I said, this only has 2 eggs, so it's not a lot of eggs, but we used a water bath. However, instead of putting the casserole dish in and pouring boiling water around it, I fill a larger casserole dish about halfway full with water and put it in the oven first. So that will heat up while I am making the sour noodles. So let me do that. This is going in my big oven here. And I have the water just about to boil for the noodles, which get cooked first and then drained. The recipe called for using thin egg noodles. All I can find near me are big, wide, flat Dutch egg noodles. So what I'm using is fresh linguini. I need 8 ounces if it was dry, so I'm going to use 12 ounces of fresh linguini. I'm waiting for the water to boil, and then it'll take about 3 minutes to cook. I'm getting my casserole dish buttered so that I can set it aside. I would not be afraid of using too much butter here. You want it nice and soft and all over the place. I'm going to mix up the cheeses while we are waiting for the water to boil so I can cook the noodles. I am taking 2 very fresh local eggs, cracking them in the bowl. Then I'm taking 1 container, 2 cups of cottage cheese, mixing it, and then mixing in 2 cups of sour cream. The oven is preheating to 350, which is called a moderate oven. So, there we go. I usually add salt at the end after I taste it. This has raw eggs, so I'm not tasting it. So I'm going to add a teaspoon in there. So that is the cheese mix for the sour noodles. The water is just about boiling, so I am going to put in my 12 ounces of fresh linguini here. As I said, if you can find egg noodles, the thin ones, not the big ones, I would use 8 ounces. And now we wait. I am going to sprinkle in a little bit of pepper as well. Not a lot because I'm not really a pepper nut, maybe about 1/8 of a teaspoon there, you can see. And we will stir that up as well. So this comes together really quickly. It takes about an hour to bake in the water bath. If you want to do it without the water bath, it'll be a little crunchier, and some people like crunchy, so that's good. And it would probably cook a little faster as well. As I said, with only 2 eggs, no culinary expert would think it needs a water bath because you're really not making a custard. But this is an all-family recipe. So we have a few seconds left on linguini, which I am going to drain. So you can see we have my linguini, or skinny noodles, as I should be using for this. And I'm going to mix them up here. Same fork, same one bowl that I mixed in the eggs, the cottage cheese, and the sour cream. I wish I'd asked more questions about this when I was little. Okay, it goes into my buttered casserole here. Okay, so it's all mixed here. And I am now going to add it to the water in the water bath that should be close to boiling. So this is going down into that roasting pan in the oven, which is surrounded by water, not covered, just as is. And we will wait for an hour, where it's going to cook at 350 for our sour noodles. Sour noodles for dinner tonight.